This is a review of the secret money system by Michael Cheney. It's a system that claims to make its owner $870 per day. It really forces him to make $870 per day, whether he likes it or not. No hard work, no expenses, no waiting. I tell you what it is and what it is not. I will show you the product and the one-time offers and upgrades so that you can decide whether it is for you or not. If at any point during the review you want to check out the secret money system, just click the link below in the description. The secret money system is made by Michael Cheney, who has been around since 2000, I think, and is a well-known affiliate marketer and coach. With the secret money system, he gives back to the online community. The stuff that he teaches actually works, and his courses are very understandable and newbie-friendly. I must say, I myself have bought and profited from him several times in the past. And here comes the first thing that I don't like, and that are some claims on the sales page, like this one, money making. 30,000 already paid out. Battle tested to work every single time or we pay you. Never before seen method. Revealed for the first time. It's too much hype when it says, for example, no hard work, no expenses, no waiting, and those claims that I recited. Just because there's no such thing as a push button system. You will have to be consistent at work. You will have to pay for an autoresponder, and it will in most cases last some time to see first results. And it's not the never seen before method. Those are all claims that we have seen on nearly every sales page lately, and it makes me weary. But as I said before, the course itself is newbie-friendly, and several people have already made money with the system, as the real people testimonials are proof for. And the price of $9.95 is a real steal, and for a course of a 7-figure marketer like Michael, for me it's an absolutely no-brainer. The following video gives you an inside scope.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the Secret Money System demo. Now in this demo I'm going to be able to show you what you're going to find inside of the members area of the Secret Money System, which I am going to take you through here shortly. I'm also going to be able to reveal the upsells and what's included in that, and also tell you a little bit more and give you a little bit more of a little sneaky peek inside of some of the videos so that you can see exactly what Michael Cheney has put together here. But basically he's revealed all of his secrets on how he makes money online inside of this product. Now, the Secret Money System is actually going live at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday the 18th of January, and will be live for 7 days only until Monday the 24th of January. So what to expect here? In session 1, we have a video which is going to take you through the big money basics. Inside of here, you're going to find out the 7 success secrets to make money online. Michael is going to reveal the ultimate online success formula, and the secrets of making big money online finally are going to be laid bare. Now you're going to be able to download the video, watch the video. You can download the audio and listen to the audio while you're out walking, exercising, anything like that. Also, you can download the transcript if you like to follow a transcript while he's talking. Now, let me just give you a little sneak peek here. This is absolute gold. Now, if you haven't been able to make money online, then this is really going to help you, right? Because there's some really exceptional tools inside of here. But Michael is going to show you the ultimate online sales system that he uses. He's also going to step you through the Make Money Online journey and the online profits formula. So you're going to want to, that video itself is gold. And then we're going to head on to session number 2, where the money is online and how you can get it. Why most people are failing online and the quick fix, the biggest mistake online entrepreneurs make, and the 11-minute solution that Michael's going to tell you about, the 8 hottest niches and how to mine them for cash really quickly. Again, you have a video here which is going to step you through all of that, right? You're going to be able to download the video. You can listen to the audio when you're out and about. You can also download the transcript and follow the transcript so you can really nut down to what Michael is telling you there. Now, session number 3, you're going to find a lot more over-the-shoulder training because now you're going to be implementing a lot of it, okay? So he's going to take you through how to attract red-hot buyers that give you money, the millionaire software you must own and how to get it for free, the biggest mistake which can cost you thousands, and he has a 2-minute fix for that, the zero money down method to collect lucrative leads. Now, Michael's going to step you through that here, right? He's going to be able to show you all about that. Again, you can download the video, the audio, and the transcript. So this is where Michael has popped his secret money system in these 3 videos, audio files, and transcripts here. This is the secret money system. Now, when you purchase the secret money system, then you have the opportunity to then purchase an upsell. Now, the first upsell is actually a bit of a good one, right? It's the Big Money Accelerator. Now, inside of this 25-minute video, right, you're going to get the 11 strategies that accelerated Michael to millionaire status, right? And he's going to reveal that all to you there. Now, you can grab that only when you purchase the front end, the secret money system. Then you've got the opportunity to grab the Big Money Accelerator. And you're going to get the video you can download. You can also download the MP3 audio and listen to that when you're out and about. You've got a transcript. And you also have a really cool cheat sheet that you're going to be able to utilize. So you're going to be able to get your hands on the Millionaire Accelerator cheat sheet there. Now, upsell 2 that you're going to be able to grab is colossal commissions. Now, these are set really just to take you to the next level, right? And now inside of OTO2, which is colossal commissions, you're going to get a workbook. You're going to get all the commission secrets and how to, most importantly really, is how to take action and become a beast. Now, you're going to be able to grab the workbook. You're going to be able to watch the training videos here. Now, you've got 1, 2, 3 training videos here, and these are all an hour and a half each, basically. So they're going to be able to step you through that. Lastly, but not least, is the reseller offer, which is OTO3 for $97. Now, if you have a score of 0, you don't have any sales, your Warrior Plus account has cobwebs on it, nothing's happening there, it's bad news. Now, the only way that you're going to be able to resell the secret money system is if you purchase the reseller rights, right? Because you're not going to be able to get approved unless you have at least 20 plus sales on there. You've got to have at least 20 plus sales, if not more. right, to be able to qualify to promote on Warrior Plus. So I totally guarantee, I guarantee you that you will be able to get 100% commissions on the entire funnel when you grab the reseller rights from the Secret Money system. So that is it. That is the Secret Money system. That includes all of the upsells as well as the front end. And that's it. We look forward to seeing you on the inside here of the Secret Money system, and where Michael Cheney is going to be able to make money with you. He's going to show you the money, and it's going to be happy days from there onwards. Thanks so much.
As you can see, I have access to the system. And the O2s. And therefore, I know what I am recommending. O2 number 1. The big money accelerator I bought some time ago, and I regularly listen to the audio version. It always gives me new insights, motivation, and ideas. O2 number 2, the Colossal Commission, is a 4-hour advanced training of its own and will help you to accelerate your growth as an affiliate marketer immensely. And if you would like to promote a known product to keep 100% commissions, or if you have problems as a newbie to getting approved as an affiliate at Warrior Plus, then O2 number 3 is the perfect match for you. Here's my resume. With the Secret Money system and its O2s, Michael presents a newbie-friendly way to start in the great world of affiliate marketing with little to no costs. Do what Michael teaches on a daily basis, and you'll make money sooner or later for sure. But don't expect to make the $870 per day like Michael does overnight. I recommend setting yourself little goals like $100 per day, $1 per day, then $10 per day, then $50 to $100 per day. That is a realistic approach when you are beginning. This said, I wholeheartedly do recommend the Secret Money system, and I'm sure you will like the way Michael teaches. And you will learn much more from the $9.95 product than from a $1,000 product of other marketers. My affiliate link to the Secret Money system you find in the description below. Thank you for watching.